Namaste, Tashi Delay. So we're volunteering today for Geshe Tashi's foundation, and so today we're at Geshe Temple, and we'll be handing over some meals to all these people here today. And the volunteers of the foundation have been doing this since His Holiness's birthday. That is the 6th of July, and it goes on every Wednesday here. So every Wednesday our lovely volunteers come here, they prepare their own meals, and we distribute some hot meals and water to all the people here. And we're grateful to be able to help the needy ones. And I would like to also say something about the message that this foundation holds. The Geshe Tashi really believes in compassion and helping people, especially people in need. And today this is our small effort of doing that for everybody. Thank you.
अझै दाल बाँड्दिनु त
दाल